Namaskar and welcome to the week 6. The objective of this presentation is to have a quick review of what we studied last week and what we are going to study in this week. If you recall, the last week we studied the earlier acts and order which were existing in reference to the food products, that is Prevention of Food Adulteration Act and Rules and the orders under the Essential Commodity Act like FPO, MPO and MMPO. Like in PFA Act and Rules, we studied the definition, what are the different functions, responsibilities of various authorities, where are the central food laboratories, the duties of food inspector, what are the penalties and power of state governments. And under the Essential Commodity Act, we studied like fruit product order, FPO, meat product order, milk and milk product order and vegetable oil products. So these were the things we studied. Now in this session, that is this week, we are going to focus on the act, which is the existing act, that is Food Safety and Standard Act 2006, that is Act number 34 of 2006. This act came into existence on 24th August 2006 to consolidate various food laws, and then the Food Safety and Standard Authority of India was established on 5th September 2008, primarily to lay down science-based standards, regulate manufacture, storage, distribution and sale of food, ensure availability of safe and wholesome food for human consumption. Now this transformed the scope of the food safety and in our country. Now this act has 12 chapters consisting of 101 sections and 2 schedules in the act is there. Chapter 2 gives about the authority, then the principles are given in chapter 3, what are the special responsibilities of food business operators are in the chapter 6, then enforcement is well covered in chapter 7, analysis in 8, offences and other things about 9, and similarly on miscellaneous things is chapter 12. The certification by the FFSI is known as FFSI license is there, because this is something like a main constitution. So we have kept in this week the focus only on the act only. We have given the additional reference material, particularly the FFSAI brochure, 10 years of integrated law PDF, how it has transformed the landscape in India, and videos also, the where definitions and everything has been explained in detail, because this is something like I mentioned is a main reference book, right? This will be staying for a long time. Anything which you will be developing from this only, it is something like a constitution of our country. So for the Food Safety Act, this is the main thing, it is for the longevity. So kindly focus on detail about all the sections and study in detail. Now the discussion I have kept proposed only reflect on food safety journey of FFSAI, maybe the people who are from the industry, who are the senior people, what do they feel, how it has transformed the food safety. Earlier also I had given last week that how the growth of food industry has taken place. So with this I thank you and wish you good wishes. Please, thank you very much.